Hello, trading has closed on April 5th, 2016. At yesterday's close, I said we had some MEJT targets. I said that unless we gapped under the day's lows promptly, that they would print, but we had the gap down. There were some failed targets, or I should say unfilled targets from the past, which did print. There was 20, 50, 15. That was a nice support resistance level. There was 20, 40, 83, and that was hit right here at the close. During the day, MEJT said ultimately higher prices would print. Here's the color-coded target, which was hit. When it was hit, system said it was a false move and that this line would be hit, which it was. No new MEJT targets for tomorrow. But one of these is still alive. The 2070-13 failed to print in its preferred time frame. There's no time limit on the ultimate target, but 2073 has a preferred time frame which ends early tomorrow. 28 points higher seems like a lot, and maybe it is. It could fail. I'm not predicting it, but if we do go up, that's the resistance area. Let's look at the long-term picture and then the short-term call for tomorrow. I said over the weekend that we had this sell signal, bar 13 from Tom DeMark. I said it was a danger of failing. So far, it's worked out. We undercut the close of number 8 within 3 days, and usually when that happens, the signal works and we have a drop, although it doesn't mean we drop every day. This was the triangle. Here's the resistance. Here's your Fibonacci grid from this pattern. There's your 61.8% right over there. It looks like a reversal. We've undercut this high, but it really doesn't prove anything until we undercut some of these lows. So there's a risk still that the pattern might fail if we take out these highs. As far as tomorrow's concerned, here's your stilt, here's your stilt, half a diamond's enough. You take the height of the diamond either here or here, take the Fibonacci grid, and your target is right at today's low. So we've hit the target. We have a wall of selling into the close. Usually that's followed by a gap up. We also gapped down, hit some new lows, couldn't close under any of these lows, couldn't actually even close under this low. This to me is the first challenge of the origin of the left stilt. Usually the first challenge holds. We can break through and then test this as resistance, but this is actually a pretty favorable pattern if this low holds. If this holds with the wall down, we have a good chance of gapping up, and if we do have a gap up, it'll be a right stilt, and you can take a Fibonacci grid with the diamond here, if that's really a diamond, to calculate your price targets for the up move. If on the other hand we gap under this low, I think that really confirms that we've had a reversal and we have much lower targets in front of us. So for tomorrow we have a good chance of gapping up, maybe even hitting some of these price targets here. But if we have a gap down, that's pretty negative because we've broken through support, and it probably provides confirmation that the worm has turned. And that is today's call.